Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's my fall makeup recreation collab with my friend Josephine. Y'all go check her page out. She's very creative, does very colorful looks, and she's just a really sweet person. So I loved her look, so of course I had to recreate it. If you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to do a makeup collaboration with me, leave it in the comments or you can message me directly. And don't forget to check out Josephine's page. Thank you guys so much and keep watching. Alright, so I did one eye so I can see how I wanted to do everything. And of course I'm going to take my NYX Proof It primer and prime my lids. And I'm going to use a brush to blend it out and to set it, and then use a beauty blender to furthermore make sure it is set. And if you don't have a fan, you might want to let it dry for 1 to 2 minutes before applying your eyeshadow, but in this case I do have a fan. Going into my Laura Sanchez Mood Palette, I'm going to use this purple, and I'm going to take a small crease brush and I'm going to blend that into my crease, and I'm also going to wing that out. Now going into my Color Fusion palette by Beauty Glaze, I'm going to take that pink, the oranges, and the yellows, and I'm just going to blend on top of each other. And I'm using the same brush, I'm just cleaning it as I go using my brush cleaner scrubber that you saw in my last video. Now I am cutting my crease using my my NYX Proof It primer, and I'm using a paintbrush to map out my area and make that winged out shape that I love. Going into my BH Cosmetics Supernova palette, I'm going to take the shade Pegasus, and I'm going to take a flat eyeshadow brush and I'm going to pack that onto my lid. Going into my e.l.f. cream eyeliner in the shade Punk Purple, I'm going to use an angled eyeliner brush, and I'm going to use that for my wing. And then I'm going to take each of the colors that I use from my crease and my transition area, and I'm going to go on top of my wing liner. I guess you can call it a multi-wing, but yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going into those shades that I've used previously to make sure they're visible in color and everything is nice and blended. Waterline, I'm taking my LA Girl Gel Glide Eyeliner in Very Black. And then I'm going to use the same purple that I used previously to smoke out my lower lash line. And I'm using an angled brush so I can really get close to my lash line. And I'm also going to use the pink and the orange. Now I'm going to take my NYX glitter primer and I'm going to apply that onto my lid using a very small paintbrush. I'm going to let that dry with my fan so it could be a little bit tacky and not super wet. Then I'm going into my Pure Festival palette and I'm going to take that gold pressed glitter right there with the e.l.f. concealer brush, and I'm just going to place that in the area that I applied my primer, my glitter glue I mean. Taking my Starlit Studio Don't Be Jelly Pot, I use that to highlight the inner part of my eye. Then for my lips, I'm taking Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink number 115 and 117 Groundbreaker. And then I'm going to take my Buxom gloss and apply on top. All these products will be in my description box if you really want to know what they are. And then I'm set my face with my Maybelline Lasting Setting Spray. And that will complete this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love how well these colors pair together and they are perfect for fall. And don't forget to check out my friend Josephine's page. She inspired me after all. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Stay safe out there. Love ya. Bye.